Today, we'll design a compelling goal infographic slide. Imagine hitting the bullseye with every point you make. This visual will grab attention and clearly communicate your goals. Let's get started. First, open a new slide and set a clean white background. Insert a circle and fill it with light green, removing any outlines. Duplicate this circle, resize it slightly smaller, center it inside the first circle, and change its color to white. Continue duplicating, resizing, and alternating between light green and white until you create a layered bullseye effect. Once all circles are placed, select and group them together. Head to Format Shape options and apply a soft effect, such as a shadow or bevel, to give your target depth. To make the target more dynamic, rotate the group target by setting the X rotation to 315 degrees. Then, add a depth effect and change its color to dark green to enhance the 3D look. Position the archery target on the left side of the slide. Now, let's build the arrow. Insert a line shape to represent the arrow shaft. Setting the width to 4.5. Change the cap type and join type to round and color it black. To create the arrow wings, insert two parallelograms, one for the left wing and one for the right. Customize the shapes as you like. Do you like what you see? Fill the left wing with light green and the right wing with a darker green to create contrast. Next, add an arc shape near the arrow to give the design a modern and appealing touch. Then, create the arrow's shadow using an isosceles triangle, colored black, and adjust it beneath the arrow. Quick tip, I've got 200 slides made especially for professionals like you. Make sure to check them out. Set its transparency to 80%. To refine the shadow, use a flowchart, stored data shape, to subtract any unwanted areas. Next, let's create a shadow for the target. Insert a circle with no outline and change its color to black. Go to Format Shape and apply a soft edges effect to make the shadow more realistic. Set transparency to Skate. For more design hacks and template ideas, be sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Now, let's design the backdrop net for our archery target. Add a right triangle, then duplicate and rotate it. Add a rectangle shape, then select all the shapes and union. After union, send it to back and the archery target's shadow. Then color the backdrop net to a dark green. Insert a rectangle for the subheading section. Change its color to light green. Add text to the rectangle, then duplicate it for consistency. With the design complete, it's time to bring everything to life with animations. Animate the archery target to fly in from the right. Then, animate its shadow with a wipe from the left. For the backdrop net, apply a wipe from the left as well. Next, animate the arrow to fly in from the right, followed by the arrow shadow, which should wipe from the top. Finally, animate your text elements. Make the main title, e.g. Goal Infographics, fly in from the right, and apply a wipe from the right to the supporting details. For your subheading rectangles, use a wipe from the bottom, and finish by animating the subheading text itself with a wipe from the left. And that's a wrap. Your goal infographic slide is now right on target. Perfect for making your objectives crystal clear and your presentations more engaging and impactful. If you enjoyed hitting the mark with this tutorial, check out my other videos for more winning tips and templates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.